acrylic plate is covered with a layer of protective film, you need to remove it first. Connect the Raspberry Pi camera and the ribbon, then the ultrasonic module and tracking module. Wires are connected to the input of car light, the end marked with a white strip pattern. Screw the locking screw into the coupling. Fix 4 copper standoffs on Raspberry Pi. Assemble the following components and insert the motor head into Raspberry Pi. Connect battery holder set to the motor head. Note that the switch should be off. Put 2 batteries in battery holder. Connect 5 servos to Adeept motor head. Before switching on, you need to insert the configured SD card into the Raspberry Pi. For details, please refer to the software installation tutorial. Now turn on the power. Fix a servo to the component. Install it at the angle shown in the picture. Assemble the arm with the base. Do not tighten between lock nut and screw. Allow rotation between components. Assemble the other half arm with the base. Fix the copper standoff to the component as shown in the picture. Assemble the servo with the component. Fix 1 rocker arm of the servo to component. Install the components as shown in the picture. Assemble a servo with the component as shown in the picture. Fix a rocker arm to the component. Then install it as shown below. Complete assembly of the clamp section. Install the clamp section on the robotic arm. Fix 2 car lights on the component. Connect the car light. The distance here should not be too short and should be kept at a distance of 3 to 4 mm. The metal plate pointed by the arrow and the groove of the motor seat should be fitted together. Fix copper standoffs on the side components of the robot. Then the battery holder set. The power cords at the end of the battery holder can pass through the gap here. Fix Raspberry Pi camera on the head of the robot, then the ultrasonic module. Buckle the rocker arm into the servo at the angle shown in the figure below. assemble the head on the bottom of the robot. Connect the other end of Raspberry Pi camera ribbon with Raspberry Pi. Connect the circuit. Now you can assemble all of the components together. Because of the compact structure, you need to organize the circuit carefully. Then assemble the wheels. And unclutter excessive wires with winding pipe. Now you can play with your RaspTank and learn Python. That's all. Thank you.